Creating image maps for websites in PaintShop Pro and have JMD settings files. These contain configuration for HTML image map generation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Corel PaintShop Pro image map settings files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult JMD files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. JMD files are image map settings. Files used by Corel PaintShop Pro, an image editing application originally developed by Jasc Software and acquired by Corel. They contain configuration data for creating HTML image maps, with clickable regions defined on images, including region coordinates, URL targets, alt text descriptions, and rollover effects for web pages. Corel PaintShop Pro JMD Image Map settings. Files use a structured format, storing image map configuration, including region definitions, with shape types, coordinates, URL targets, text descriptions, and rollover image references. The format integrates with PaintShop Pro's web feature set, enabling consistent image map creation across multiple web design projects with reusable configurations. This JMD file is designed specifically for the developer tool PaintShop Pro by Corel Corporation. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows cannot validate their meaning, so incorrect edits can cause issues. We are checking the software landscape. Right-click your JMD file and select Open With. If PaintShop Pro is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We need to check every possibility. If your JMD file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, loading in PaintShop Pro. Launch Corel PaintShop Pro and open the source image for the image map. Access the image map editor through the File menu Export and select Image Mapper. Load the JMD settings file through the Load Settings button, which applies all defined regions and properties to the current image. Modify regions as needed before exporting the final image map HTML. Next, editing map regions. Use the Image Mapper tool in PaintShop Pro to modify image map regions defined in the JMD file. Add new clickable areas, adjust existing region boundaries, or change URL targets through the visual editor. Save updated configurations back to JMD format for future use across other image map projects with similar requirements and design patterns. Finally, generating HTML code. Use the image mapper's preview and export functions to generate HTML code for the image map. The export creates HTML with proper image map syntax, including the map element area, definitions, and image reference. Copy the generated HTML into web pages where image maps should appear, providing clickable image regions with the configured URL navigation behaviors. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-Zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.